Hello, welcome to the tutorial of how to use the AnyLog Remote GUI. Today we will be covering the main page and the client dashboard. When you first open up the Remote GUI, you will be greeted by this as a page. There are three main sections. The first is the top bar. This contains your IP port connection, the ability to bookmark, and clearing your cache. The left-hand side is the sidebar. This is your menu of different options and different capabilities that the Remote GUI provides. And the middle section is whatever option you click based off the side. So for now, we'll be going over the client dashboard as well as IP port connection in the top left corner. You should already be greeted by this, which is the top left corner connected IP and port. Clicking on this drop-down menu can allow you to add new nodes. For example, if I were to click this, and if I were to add something new, I could always add and connect, and then it would automatically connect here. You can also easily switch between different connections like such. Now we can move on to the client dashboard, which is the first of our many different options. The main section right here is the command. So when we automatically log in, we will get the get status as a default command. Hitting the send button will give us a response from this connected node. Currently, we can see that this is just showing that it is running. We can also run other types of commands. For example, get processes. This will return table data, which is automatically formatted as such. We can run just another one just to quickly show what that would look like. Get connections, and there we go. Other information directly related to the command is that we have command info. This has a lot of information on the command itself. For example, this is the actual AnyLog command. This is what you would need to run it as curl. This is a QR code and the link to it, as well as some details about the command itself and the node. Apart from that, we can also bookmark these commands with the bookmark tab right here. Hitting bookmark will pop up this modal. Here we can select a group, SQL, blobs, TSC demo, or we can create a new one. I will just add this to blobs for now, and then we can have a button name. I'm going to call this con for get connections, and I'll save this to the bookmarks. Great. The useful thing about bookmarks is that they are tabs located at the very top. Here you can see we have three groups already. These are so that if you have commands that are going to be run very frequently, or commands that are long and you don't want to type them out every single time, you can always tap on them. For example, we can see that we have saved our connections right here. I'm going to click on images as an example, and you can see this is quite a large command that we have right here. And hitting send will take a minute, but we will just see all of our information like so. Another useful thing to note is that when we are getting a lot of information stored as a table, sometimes these tables are too wide. You can always easily scroll from side to side to see all the tables. Let's just see one more. How about hitting opqa and hitting send? And you can see more table data that we got from our dashboard.